And I remember when the first time I actually had to leverage this skill set of having a sense of emotional intelligence. There was an email that came through to me and it said, listen, Edward, we need this to happen now, not tomorrow. We need you to get on top of it right now. It's high priority. If you do not get this, we are escalating. If you do not respond to this email within 1 hour. Oh, wow, really? This is how you feel? And so I responded back well with, hey, I appreciate your concerns. I would love to get this. You might want to escalate because I won't have enough time within the time frame that you boxed in for me to actually deliver that. So if you like to get on a call where we can navigate this quicker, I will be more open to do that than sitting here and going back and forth via email. You see, family, the reason why I did that was is not that I couldn't achieve what they were looking for, but sometimes, family, we get so caught up in emails that we forget the human nature of what we're doing here called project management. When you are actually leading a project, you have challenges that consistently can come up. And if you're constantly running to put out one flyer here and there instead of taking advantage of getting on the call and solving it instead of trying to solve it through email, it first of all, you come away with a solution faster than you would by going back and forth on email, as I stated before, because going back and forth on email is meaning that I have to compose the email. I probably have to read it a couple times to ensure that the grammar and the punctuation is aligned with the audience that I'm speaking to. And then I have to wait for a response back from the recipient of the email.